Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the CapCut Pro exporting issues. So the issue you might have is that you did use a Pro feature and you just didn't know, or maybe you accidentally added it. So just select it, and if there's a Pro next to it, you're just going to have to delete it or pay for the Pro feature that they have. Maybe you can't see it, but maybe it's the video transition that they have, so you're going to delete that as well. If you can't export it again, it might be because of the video that you use that is a Pro, like stock video. Like here there's a Pro writing. Fortunately, you can't really see it on this one, so just kind of like delete the ones that might have Pro in it. There's a bunch of stuff, like captions, even captions now, like auto captions is a Pro feature. So just keep that in mind before you think it's like an issue about something else. You might have used a Pro feature. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.